is you can go and do anything on your lip. You can put any color on your lip, pink, red, purple, wine, any kind of color. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time of coming here, I don't know, where have you been? But hey, you're most welcome to the family. If you're already a member of the Sabena Beauty, a member of our family, hey, it's good to have you back. Today we're just going to do a very short video. Just something easy, nothing, elaborate. As you can see, my brows are already filled. And this video is just about, easy breezy makeup. Some women don't like it all too much on their face, especially women that are that have 9 to 5 jobs. They just want to look beautiful, but at the same time they don't want too much going, so I'm just going to tell you how you can achieve that very perfect and nice winged liner. Okay, hope you're excited. Please come along with me and let's do this together. And so to achieve this look, this is a very how to achieve a very perfect wing liner. To achieve this look, you don't need too much. You just need a black, I like to use a pot liner. Some people like to use a liquid liner, but this is what works for me, because with this, if I make any mistake, I can easily correct the mistake. But if you're using a liquid wing liner, if you make a mistake, you have to like almost start all over. But this is very easy. So I use a pot liner and I use a brush like this. This is what is called the angled brush. So you can see one end is longer than one and it goes all the way like that. So this will help you, achieve that perfect wing liner at the tip of your eye, just the way you want it. So I'm just going to take us on this tutorial how to achieve that. So the pot liner I'm using is from Zaron. This is their Zaron gel liner. It's a long wear. You can wear it all day as long as you apply it very well, and it's pretty new, so I've not really used so much. This is what it looks like inside. So I'm just going to take very little with my brush, this much. I don't know if you can see. Yes, this much with my brush, and I'm going to start at the end of my eyes. I'm going to just draw a line up just like this. Just going just one line up like this, and once that is done, I'll go to once that is done, I'll come up again just here, so that the line here can meet with the line I'm going to draw here. So just like this, you see they met. So I'm going to drag this one all the way down, drag it down just where I want it to stop, and obviously I would want it to stop at the end of my eyes, at the tear duct area. So once that is done, what I did first, if you're following me, what I did first was to draw a line just here at the end of my eyes, and just one line, and I came up and I drew another line going down. So I'm just going to fill it in with what is left on the brush. You can still see a little bit is left on the brush, so I'm just going to fill in what I've just done, fill in the lines with the gel liner, make it a little bit darker. Now it's not dark enough from what I can see, so I'm going to take a little out of my pot liner again to darken it a bit. So I just want it to be a lot darker, just like this. Oh, so that's it. That is it. That is just basically it. Nothing. It's not that I didn't fight with any of my tools. Nothing was, hey, I made a mistake and all. So what I just did was I just drew a line here, and I came up and I drew another line just to connect that line that I drew down, and I took it all the way down, and then I filled it in just to make it darker. So let's go on to the other eyes. Same way, same pattern, nothing different, just like that. So I'm going to use that brush again, that my angle brush. This brush is very, very, very important because this is the only brush that could allow you achieve this look. Other brushes will not allow you because this one is already designed for it. You can see how angled it is, so it's already designed for the eyeliner. So I'm going to take that amount again, and on this eye the same thing I did. I'm going to just draw a line here, just one line up, put it all the way up, just like that, and then the other line, just to meet, it has to meet, then I'm dragging it all the way down, just like what I'm doing here, taking it and dragging it all the way down, and then I fill. Once that's done, I just fill. So I'm filling it now just to make it darker. That way it's more defined and looks better. So that's how easy it is. Basically, that's how very easy it is. Some people are afraid of doing this, but I hope you learned how to do it with this tutorial. It's nothing serious. Just draw a line, then go up, draw another line to connect that line that you have drawn in the middle of the eyes, and then just pull it all the way down. That's it. That's it. That's it. And the beauty about it is, when you do this, you can go and do anything on your lip. You can put any color on your lip, pink, red, purple, wine, any kind of color. So if you're a lady and you have a 9 to 5 job and you wake up in the morning by 6:30 and you want to put some makeup on but you don't want to look too this is it. This is what you can do. You know, just put on some winged liner and you're good to go. So I hope you learned a thing or two on this tutorial. I hope that you come back. I hope that you subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment please whenever you're here. Thumbs up my video. Please always and always watch my videos. You know, you never can tell. We might bring each other ideas. You might tell me something I don't know. I might tell you something you don't know. See you in my next video. Bye.